Good morning, YouTube family. This is Iris, and it is snowing. Today is April 21st. It is 32 degrees, and here we go. So, I feel like a mother hen right now trying to protect her chicks, but of every tote that is not in use, protecting my early plantings. And I don't know how these guys are gonna respond. Here's our weeping cherry tree who had blooms and everything with a bit of snow. So they were expecting 3 to 6 inches for our area, and the tulip said snow. What about it? But it's supposed to stop snowing today around 2 o'clock. So I'm hoping, I don't know where to place my hopes really. I'm just looking at all of the coverings, like, please work, please work, please work. So that's just the protective plants, but the birds are still very appreciative for their feeding, for the bird feeder. I don't know how not blueberries, but how the grapes are gonna feel. I don't know. They're hardy in my zone, but I don't know. And then this is our vegetable garden bed, and I don't know how these guys are gonna, I see a little green. They're not completely wimped over, but totes and a frost blanket. We'll see what that does. And then the potatoes and asparagus. The advantage of using cans, they come with lids. So for moments like this, it's especially nice. And then our herb stand, they came with cup containers. So I had another set of cups as well that fit in this herb stand. So just inverted the two on top of each other, and then hopefully that will protect them. The goji berries, I don't know. Hardy in my zone, but I mean, any plant that I had out for early growth. Let's see what the items on the other side of the gate with the snow. Those are my hostas. I think those are, it still be over there as well. Some of it really depends on how it falls, but black lace elderberry and some tulips. We're gonna see how they feel about these things. But I mean, it's a nice amount of snow. But honestly, nature does what she wants. I covered the window baskets that I have attached on my porch, but nature does what she wants. We're just participants in the lovely opportunity to beautify our space. We'll see what everyone says post snow. So it's supposed to stop at 2 o'clock, and then the great thaw. But just covered everything that I could, and it's amazing, honestly. Like these sky pencil hollies, we'll see. And then these guys. Life's little lessons about your zone. This is zone 6A. And so excited to get out in the yard. But there's only so much you can do, really. And then even then, you're subject to what whatever nature permits. So it's good to work in conjunction with her. Make sure you're not completely... I just hope these containers work. I hope the containers work. I really do. And most of